नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक संदीप गुंड. हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा जो चॅप्टर आहे तर याच्यामधला पार्ट 4 म्हणजे लास्ट पार्ट आपण इथं पाहणार आहोत. याच्या अगोदरच्या व्हिडिओजमध्ये जनरली इंट्रोडक्शन हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्हचं त्याचं नॉमेनक्लेचर, क्लासिफिकेशन, प्रिपरेशन मेथड आणि रिॲक्शन मेकॅनिझम पाहिलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये SN2 आणि SN1 म्हणजे सबस्टिट्यूशन न्यूक्लियोफिलिक बायमॉलिक्युलर आणि सबस्टिट्यूशन न्यूक्लियोफिलिक युनिमॉलिक्युलर रिॲक्शनचं मेकॅनिझम आपण याच्यामध्ये पाहिलेलं आहे. तर आता पार्ट 4 जो आहे तर याच्यामध्ये आपण तोच पार्ट कंटिन्यू करत आहोत. तर पुढची जी रिॲक्शन आहे तर इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन. याच्यामध्ये एकमेव इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आपल्याला दिलेली आहे ती म्हणजेच डिहायड्रोहॅलोजिनेशन रिॲक्शन. डिहायड्रोहॅलोजिनेशन या रिॲक्शनच्या नावामध्येच आहे. डी म्हणजेच काढून टाकणं, काय तर हायड्रो म्हणजेच हायड्रोजन आणि हॅलो म्हणजेच हॅलोजन, आणि या रिॲक्शनला डिहायड्रोहॅलोजिनेशन रिॲक्शन म्हणून ओळखलं जातं. Dehydrohalogenation generally alkyl halides when heated with alcoholic sodium or potassium hydroxide undergoes dehydrohalogenation and alkene form. Means here double bonded compounds are formed. Here difference is in between alcoholic sodium that is or potassium hydroxide means alcoholic NaOH or KOH. When aqueous NaOH or KOH the product is alcohol. Here alcoholic sodium or potassium hydroxide product is alkene. Means difference is only aqueous and alcoholic. When aqueous sodium or potassium hydroxide are used, the product form is the alcohol, and when alcoholic sodium or potassium hydroxide is used, at that time product is alkene. Here the reaction, in this reaction when we add the alcoholic sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, generally alpha and beta. Alpha means where halogen is attached, those carbon is alpha carbon, and adjacent to which that is the beta carbon, and here alpha beta elimination reaction takes place, that is alpha halogen and beta hydrogen gets eliminated means removed, and the product is alkene. Here example, for example ethyl bromide. Here ethyl bromide when treated with alcoholic KOH or NaOH, any one, when it is heated, the products get, that is the bromine is removed and bromine attached to those carbon adjacent to that methyl group, their hydrogen is eliminated and product is ethene. Then again another example, that is isopropyl chloride. Means middle carbon chlorine is attached when heated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. The chlorine from middle carbon and adjacent to that those both methyl group are same, then one hydrogen from that methyl group, and that is the propene is the product. Then tertiary butyl bromide, here example is also taken. Here all three methyl groups are beta 1 and those hydrogen from any methyl group is eliminated and it is formed the isobutyl. Means this, in this reaction generally alpha beta elimination takes place. When there are the two different beta carbon, at that time this reaction gets used by Sedgwick rule. What is the Sedgwick rule? In dehydrohalogenation, the preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group. म्हणजे आता याच्यामध्ये जर पाहिलं आपण एक्झाम्पल 2 bromobutane, there are the two beta carbon, that is B1, beta 1 and beta 2. B1 means beta 1, that is CH2, adjacent to that CH3 and CH, and CH3 that is beta 2 carbon, those are only attached to single, that is CH1, and therefore these two generally beta carbons are present, and in that reaction when we add alcoholic potassium hydroxide and we heated, at that time first, that is suppose loss of beta 2 hydrogen atom, बीटा 2चे जर हायड्रोजन ॲटम इलिमिनेट झाले तर प्रॉडक्ट मिळेल ब्यूट 1 ENE, that is the IUPAC name. And when loss of beta 1 hydrogen atom, beta 1 means CH2, at that time but 2 ENE. Here which is the preferred product or more product, that is the but 2 ENE. This is the major product because carbon carbon double bonded, that is alkene. Here two substituents, alkyl substituents are large number, that is two methyl groups are attached to double bonded carbon, and in but 1 ENE only one, that is CH2 CH3, that is ethyl group is attached to double bonded carbon. Means here dehydrohalogenation preferred product is that alkene which has greater number of alkyl group. जास्तीत जास्त alkyl group ज्या कार्बनला म्हणजे ज्या प्रॉडक्टला येतील तो प्रिफर प्रॉडक्ट असतो आणि याच्यामध्ये ब्यूट 2 ENE हा जो आहे तर हा प्रिफर प्रॉडक्ट आहे याच्यामध्ये. तर याप्रमाणे हा सेडझिप रूल आहे. त्याच्यानंतर पुढच्या ज्या दोन रिॲक्शन आपल्याला पाहायचे आहेत याच्यामध्ये रिॲक्शन विथ मेटल, याच्यामध्ये रिॲक्शन विथ मॅग्नेशियम, that is the formation of Grignard's reagent. When alkyl halide is treated with active metal like magnesium, when alkyl halide is treated with magnesium in dry ether, at that time the products gives alkyl magnesium halide. Those are generally called as Grignard's reagent. Means simply Rx plus Mg. The Mg it get in between alkyl group and halogen, and the product alkyl means R, magnesium means Mg, and X means halide, and those are generally called as Grignard's reagent. And generally these Grignard's reagent are very reactive compound. They react with water or compounds containing hydrogen attached to electronegative elements, and generally it forms hydrocarbon. Those reactions are given in the below, that is alkyl magnesium halide is treated with alcohol, it forms hydrocarbons means alkane. Alkyl magnesium halides means Grignard's reagent. When react with ammonia it forms also alkane. Means this is the Grignard's reagent. Note down that point, that is alkyl magnesium halides is called as Grignard's reagent. Then this is the reaction with magnesium. Another reaction with metal, that is the sodium metal. Next reaction, name reaction with metal, that is sodium, are called as Wood's reaction. WURTZ, Wood's reaction. Alkyl halide react with metallic sodium in dry ether as a solvent and form higher alkane containing double the number of carbon atom present in the alkyl halide. This reaction also in the 11th book also. Generally here, for example, 2RX means same alkyl halides is treated with sodium metal, that is twice Na in presence of dry ether. X is removed by Na, and R of both alkyl halides are get with each other, and RR is the product, that is alkane. Example, ethyl bromide, C2H5Br. When treated with sodium metal, two ethyl bromide are formed with each other and it forms CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3, that is butane. Means C2H5 get attached to C2H5 and product is C4H10, that is the butane. When the mixture of two different alkyl halide are used, at that time there are the three possible alkanes are formed. For example, here methyl bromide and ethyl bromide. When treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, here methyl bromide self it forms ethane, means CH3 CH3 attached, that is ethane. Then one methyl and one ethyl react with each other, it forms CH3 and C2H5, means CH3 CH2 and CH3, that is the propane. And ethyl bromide self attached, it forms butane. Means here mixture of alkanes are formed when the mixture of two different alkyl halides are used. Then next one, reaction of haloarenes. आता आपण आत्तापर्यंतच्या रिॲक्शन पाहिल्या त्या अल्काइल हॅलाइडच्या पाहिल्या. आता हॅलोआरेन्सच्या रिॲक्शन, जनरली तीन रिॲक्शन आपल्याला इथं पाहायच्यात विथ मेटल, न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन आणि इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन. इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशनमध्ये परत 4 रिॲक्शन आहेत, हॅलोजिनेशन, नायट्रेशन, सल्फोनेशन आणि फेडलक्राफ्ट रिॲक्शन. याच्यामध्ये पहिली रिॲक्शन विथ मेटल. जशी आपण वुड्स रिॲक्शन पाहिली अल्काइल हॅलाइडची, तशी इथं वुड्स रिॲक्शन आहे, फक्त फिटिंग. म्हणजे इथं जे आपण अराइल हॅलाइड्स पाहतोय त्याच्यामुळे वुड्स फिटिंग रिॲक्शनचं नाव दिलेलं आहे. जनरली सेम सोडियम मेटल बरोबर जर याची रिॲक्शन केली तर अल्काइल हॅलाइड्स इथं आहेत आणि त्याचबरोबर अराइल हॅलाइड म्हणजे ब्रोमोबेन्झीन व्हेन ट्रीटेड विथ मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ सोडियम मेटल. जनरली same coupling reaction takes place, means benzene ring and CH3 group attach and bromine removed by Na, that is the toluene is product. In case of only aryl halide, this is reaction is fitting. Aryl halide takes part in the reaction, the product is biphenyl and the reaction known as fitting reaction. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये दोन फिनाइल रिंग एकत्र येतात आणि म्हणून त्याला बायफिनाइल म्हटलं जातं. क्लोरोबेन्झीनचं एक्झाम्पल इथे दिलेलं आहे. तर या दोन बेन्झीन रिंग एकत्र जॉईन होतात, म्हणजेच ह्या ज्या रिॲक्शन्स आहेत तर याच्यामध्ये कपलिंग रिॲक्शन आहेत, दोन्ही अल्काइल ग्रुप एकत्र येतात आणि याप्रमाणे आपल्याला प्रॉडक्ट्स मिळतात. तर ही रिॲक्शन विथ मेटल. दुसरी रिॲक्शन इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन. आता इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन्स जनरली इन दिस रिॲक्शन electrophiles are gets attached generally when the where the halogen is attached at that position, the electrophiles are get attached. First reaction, that is para-nitrochlorobenzene. Here chlorine is get removed and this reaction under high temperature condition and pressure, it forms OH group is attached to that chlorine site. And another one, there are the generally 2,4-dinitro groups, and these nitro groups are electron withdrawer and therefore the hydroxyl group is attached to that the chlorine, where chlorine is attached and the product is 2,4-dinitrophenol. Also third one reaction 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene. Here same, only simple warm and H2O. There are the 3 nitro groups and these nitro groups are electron withdrawer and therefore the hydroxyl is attached to that chlorine, where chlorine is attached, that is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, and this is also called as the picric acid. This is the electrophilic substitution reaction. And last one reaction, that is the halogenation. These are the 4 reaction, that is electrophilic substitution. Those are nucleophilic substitution reaction behind that, means this is the here electrophilic, not this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and this are the electrophilic substitution reaction, means positive part. And generally here 2 and 4 positions is correct for the electrophiles. And generally this reaction is in this reaction when halogenation is takes place as a Lewis catalyst, that is FeCl3, means anhydrous FeCl3 as a Lewis catalyst, the chlorine, that is chlorination, takes place at the 2 and 4 position and two products are formed, that is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, it is the major, and 1,2-dichlorobenzene as the minor. Means here 2 and 4 positions are generally suitable for the electrophilic substitution reaction. Next one, that is nitration. Also same, here NO2 group, that is the electrophile, is gets attached to 2 and 4 position and two products are formed. When the reagent is used as a concentrated sulfuric acid, the nitro group is attached, concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. The product nitro group is attached at the 4 position and 2 position, that is 1,chloro,4-nitrobenzene and 1,chloro,2-nitrobenzene as the two products. Then sulfonation, here also when fuming H2SO4 is used, at that time SO3H group is attached 2 and 4 position, means 1-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid and 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. तर 2 आणि 4 पोझिशनला इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स अटॅच होतात. आणि लास्ट वन रिॲक्शन फेडलक्राफ्ट रिॲक्शन. याच्यामध्ये जनरली फेडलक्राफ्ट रिॲक्शन अल्काइल आणि असाइल ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस केला जातो बेन्झीन रिंगमध्ये, त्या रिॲक्शनला फेडलक्राफ्ट रिॲक्शन म्हटलं जातं. याच्यामध्ये जनरली two alkyl halide by using anhydrous AlCl3 as a reagent. The CH3 group is attached to the second position and fourth position, and the product is 1-chlorotoluene and another one that is the 4-chlorotoluene. 1 आणि 4 नंबरला मिथाइल ग्रुप जे आहेत तर ते अटॅच होतात. त्याच्यानंतर असाइल ग्रुप इंट्रोड्यूस केलेला आहे पुढच्या याच्यामध्ये CH3C डबल बॉन्ड OCl हा जो आहे तर हा याच्यामध्ये जनरली रिएजंट अनहायड्रस AlCl3 म्हणजेच फेडल क्राफ्ट रिॲक्शन याच्यामध्ये C डबल बॉन्ड OCH3 हा ग्रुप त्याच्यामध्ये इंट्रोड्यूस केला जातो आणि तो सुद्धा 1 नंबर आणि 4 नंबर पोझिशनला. तर त्याच्यामध्ये 1-क्लोरोॲसिटोफिनोन आणि 4-क्लोरोॲसिटोफिनोन हे प्रॉडक्ट मिळतात. तर याप्रमाणे हा जो चॅप्टर आहे हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जनरली हिअर एंड्स. Then new chapter will be continued in the next video. Any difficulty please contact 9766955128, that is Gunsar Nutan Junior College Kuldaran. Thank you friends. The chapter that is halogen derivative is ends now. Then any difficulties please solve the next, that is the exercise in the textbook, and have a nice day. Thank you friends.